You've done the work, the journaling, the scripting, the visualizing. You've aligned your thoughts, you've followed the energy, you've stayed positive even when it was hard. You've been consistent, patient, and hopeful. You've recalibrated your mindset more times than you can count. So why? Hasn't the wealth arrived? You're not lazy, you're not out of alignment, and you're definitely not broken. But there's a deeper truth most never talk about. Welcome to Manifestramind, where we don't chase, we align. Because alignment isn't about striving, it's about remembering. Remembering your true frequency. Remembering that you don't have to earn what's already meant for you. You simply have to return to the part of you that knows, I am already enough. I am already worthy. And I am already a match for more. Wealth isn't delayed because you're doing it wrong. It's delayed because you're still trying to prove you're ready. Still trying to earn it energetically when all it really needs is your trust. When you're trying to stay aligned, that's still effort. That's still you hoping you're doing it right. Instead of trusting that you already are. There's a massive difference between acting aligned and being aligned. One is performance, the other is embodiment. Acting aligned is checking all the boxes. Being aligned is walking with certainty, even when the evidence hasn't shown up yet. The wealth you desire doesn't respond to effort, it responds to identity, to emotional congruence, to embodied ease. If deep down a part of you still believes you have to earn it, chase it, or prove you're worthy of it, then wealth stays one energetic step away, not to punish you, but because your energy still whispers, I'm not ready. Because you're reaching, not receiving, and energy doesn't lie. So here's the shift. Stop micromanaging your manifestation. Stop questioning if it's working. Stop overanalyzing your vibration every 5 minutes. Start believing it's already done. Instead, start being the person who already has it. Start moving from trust, not tension. Start responding from embodiment, not evaluation. The version of you that's not desperate for money. The version that expects it, that holds it, that doesn't panic when it slows down. That doesn't need constant signs to stay anchored. This is where most people unconsciously block their abundance. They mistake alignment for perfection. They think they have to always feel high vibe to attract wealth. They confuse ease with detachment, when ease is actually the most magnetic state of all. But real alignment isn't constant positivity. It's unwavering self-trust. It's holding your vision even on a low day. It's knowing your wealth is inevitable, not because you said an affirmation, but because it's who you are. It's coded into your frequency. It's remembered in your stillness. It's activated in your identity. And when that becomes your foundation, the wealth shows up fast. And it doesn't just visit, it stays, because now you're not chasing it. You've become a match for it. Thank you for aligning with me today. Repeat, trust, receive, and remember, your mind is the portal.